Hello all, this is Zach from TradeVSA. So thank you again for watching this video. So today I'd like to share with you these counters also coming from a very good, I can say a nice combo setup that lately we come like it, which is coming with green pentagons and NS signals. Okay, so for those that who don't know, or for those that who watching this for the first time, I appreciate if you can click the like buttons for this video here and subscribe to this channel. Definitely I will share lots of video related to volume spread analysis, okay, which I think will help you to learn more how you're going to use volume to trade more better. Okay, so of course for those that who are watching for the first time here, or maybe just new to VSA, so technically what it means by green pentagon is that a green pentagon is a sign or a signal to tell us that there's a potential of the bullish in this stocks, okay, probably in short-term time frame. And NS technically is to show you where is the potential good support area. So again, NS representing no supply. So technically no supply, which means there's no sellers in the areas, okay? So what we want to do in most of our stocks that we are looking into is that we want to have a green pentagon, okay? So which means the background comes with slightly a bullish sign. Then it comes with an immediate strong support, which is the NS will help us on this, okay? So if you look into JFTECH, of course, we are looking into a short-term trading opportunity because this is coming from a big distribution of background, okay? So a big one dropping below 2040s moving average. So we got a high volume after the green pentagon representing there's a change of trend, which is pretty strong. So if we zoom in, because since we want to focus on a little bit short term, okay, probably just few weeks or few days kind of time frame, we want to look into this periods only because this is the important buffers to study and monitor. Okay, so a few things that we realize, of course, first of all, hopefully you watch my other videos that explain about this line change high volume, okay, which is pretty effective if you want to use it for support resistance. And then you realize there is a shakeout period. Okay, so again, it turns to red pentagon, a bearish sign. Okay, but it doesn't follow through, so which means it's a shakeout areas. So shakeout areas is always good to have, okay, in a stock like this because representing there is a wash, okay, in the market by removing all the weekend holders out. So green pattern is back. You can notice the volume also slightly increased, okay, which is a good sign too, and holding well above 40s at the moment with NS sign. Okay, so this is a potential a pretty good support area for us to monitor moving forwards. Of course, you can use the immediate resistance here. So again, remember this is not a buy call. I'm not asking you to buy these stocks, okay, but I just want to use this stock to illustrate to you how VSA can help me to look for support better. Okay, so I can calculate my stop loss, calculate my risk to reward at least whenever I want to trade, how I can get at least 1/2. Okay, so with this, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to this channel. I will definitely have more videos for you all. Okay, so do comment below as well if you want me to cover other stocks that you think is interesting for us to study. Okay, so do comment below. I will take a look and do a short video like this for you all. Okay, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.